Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing fiancé visas, tourist visas, U.S. marriage visas, and we're talking about, what's called Section 214B of the Immigration Nationality Act. I have a lot of people that contact me on a relatively regular basis asking me, why was my the application for my girlfriend, my fiancé, or my wife's tourist visa denied? I want to take her to the United States to visit. Unfortunately, we see this pretty frequently. We ourselves do not deal with tourist visas on any kind of a regular basis. In my opinion, there's very little value added by a lawyer to the U.S. tourist visa process. The other thing is, if you're watching this video and you're out there talking to anybody that claims any kind of special relationship with the embassy, that's nonsense. And if you hear that from any service provider, run, because that's not somebody you want to be dealing with. That could be, anybody that claims that, if it was happening, and I've never thought it was, but in the few rare instances, and there have been some, like 12 years ago, I remember hearing about something involving, undue influence, if you will. Yeah, all those people went to prison. It's a felony to engage in activities which are, you're trying to essentially circumvent U.S. immigration law. It's immigration fraud. Okay, so if you ever hear that, just walk away from that right away. Nobody has any special relationship with regard to the embassy, the consulate, when it comes to visa adjudication. That's just nonsense. Okay, stepping away from that for the moment, there are other options. If you've been denied, or your fiance or significant other or spouse has been denied for a U.S. tourist visa, you may be painted into a visa category you don't otherwise really want. But depending on your intentions and your circumstances, it may be your only option. You may have to go ahead and get a longer term type of visa, a more residence type of visa. Again, it's going to be facts-based. It's going to be based on your circumstances. But there are circumstances where we oftentimes will see somebody who gets denied for a tourist visa, and then 6 or 8 months later, they're coming to us and they're saying, hey, I'm looking at getting a fiancé visa now. Our relationship has progressed to another stage. Will this prior tourist visa application hurt us? In the past, I could say with relatively high degree of certainty that no, a prior denial on a tourist visa application would not in and of itself jeopardize a future K-1 or marriage visa application. These days, I did a prior video where I referenced a video that Mr. Jim Hacking over in the United States did regarding issues that they were having. It seemed like mostly cases out of Africa at that time, but when it starts one place, it seems to move all over eventually. And he was bringing up the fact that, USCIS was asking for information regarding prior denial on a tourist visa case. And the minute I heard that, I did an alert video, and I continue to be kind of on alert for that overall issue. The thing to take away from this video, if you're looking at getting a tourist visa, if you're looking at bringing a significant other to the United States, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into the best options and ways to proceed.